Here I have LENOVO Tab M7, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Settings, then go to the System section, then go to the Languages and Input, Languages, add a language. Here you can see the whole list of the available system languages. So let's pick, for example, Ukrainian. And then to set Ukrainian is your system language, you have to drag it on top like this, and language will be changed automatically. So if you want to change it back to English, go to Settings once again, go to Налаштування, then go to the Система, Мова та ведення, Мови, and drag English back on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.